Now, two incidents that have been reported, one in Maharashtra of an assault and the other from Haryana, where a migrant worker hailing from Bengal was lynched to death by cow vigilantes over the suspicion of having consumed beef. At least 7 people, including 2 minors, have been arrested by the Haryana police. This even as in Maharashtra, an elderly man was assaulted by fellow passengers on a train over suspicion that he was carrying beef. The opposition has attacked the BJP over these issues, calling the incidents a fallout of BJP's hate politics.
2 violent attacks in a span of just 24 hours. The reason? Suspicions of carrying beef. Sabir Malik, a migrant worker from West Bengal, was beaten to death by members of a cow vigilante group in Haryana's Charkhi Dadri district. The group suspected that Sabir had consumed beef. At least 7 accused, including 2 minors, were arrested by the Haryana police for the lynching horror.
2-3 दिन पहले भैंस का मांस लाए थे, हम लोग वो खा लिया था। वो साइड का जुग्गी में खाया नहीं था, वो लोग ओए पे थे, रखा हुआ था। हम लोग यहाँ आने वाला था, हमको रास्ते से उठा लिया गया। पब्लिक गया हुआ था, कौन है मतलब हमको उतना नहीं पता। हम ज्यादा हाँ अच्छा। ज्यादा दिन नहीं हुआ, हम लोग किसी को जानता भी नहीं हो।
द्वारा एक प्रवासी मजदूर की उसको पीट कर हत्या कर दी गई थी, जिसके संबंध में उनके खिलाफ BNS के तहत मुकदमा दर्ज किया गया था, जिनमें 4 नामजद युवकों सहित कुल 7 लोगों को गिरफ्तार किया गया, जिसमें 2 औपचारिक बालक भी हैं, जिनसे गहनता से पूछताछ की जा रही है।
Haryana Chief Minister Nayaab Singh Saini has condemned this incident, promising punishment.
माओ लिंचिंग का बात ये इस प्रकार की बातें ठीक नहीं है। हमने क्योंकि गौ माता के संरक्षण के लिए विधानसभा के अंदर भी कड़ा कानून बनाया है, तो मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि इस प्रकार की घटनाएं नहीं होनी चाहिए और ये घटनाएं दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है।
Trinamool Congress targeted the BJP-led Haryana government and claimed it was result of hatred fueled by the party.
ये एलिगेशन देकर वो बीफ खाता है, उसको मार दिया गया। हम लोग स्ट्रांगली, ये डेमोक्रेसी नहीं है, ये डेमोक्रेसी नहीं है। हम लोग सब ये पूरा स्ट्रांग लैंग्वेज में इस इंसिडेंट का हम कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट कर रहे हैं। भाजपा के हाथ ये डेमोक्रेसी का मर्डर हो रहा है।
In Maharashtra, an elderly passenger was assaulted by a group of fellow travelers on a train on suspicion again that he was carrying beef. According to authorities, the attack took place last week and now an FR has been filed against the 5 accused. The opposition has blamed the BJP, accusing it of fanning hate. AIMIM has said secular forces should unite against the party.
It is absolutely unfortunate and the direct fallout of Bharatiya Janata Party's hate-filled politics, which has ensured that Hindus versus Muslims can start fighting over anything. They can, they can beat up a senior citizen on the suspicion of beef. This is reaching to, I would say, disgusting levels, and law has to ensure that the person who is behind this gets the strictest punishment possible.
Is hate fueled by baseless rumors leading to these murderous attacks? Bureau Report, India Today.